Hi everyone, I'm Tamás, one of the head judges of the Edu Robotics Cup 2023 competition. This video is about the rules and preparation of Engineer Challenge Rookie category. The topic of the year is sustainable development. Rookies, your task will be to build up a robot to help our city with sustainable and eco-friendly energy sources. So, let's start it. Okay, let's start with the rules because we have plenty of them. But before that, let's see what we need for this year. First of all, we need 3 of bottle cups. No worries about the color, just pick your favorite one. And the placement, it should be completely inside the red circles, middle of the river. So, just place them in the right position. Okay, the next one, we need 3 standard minifigures. They will be our engineers. If you have any cool additional item, feel free to add them, but basically what we need, leg, body and head. The placement of them completely inside of the yellow rectangles. Alright, the next one, 2 pencils. These are power cords for now, and the size of them, just a standard pencil, and the placement completely inside the gray rectangles with a bigger orange zone, and just put them in the middle of the zone. Next one, 3 boxes with the base dimension 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 2 bricks high. The 2 red boxes, the placement of them in the on top of the solar panels within the zone marked with green border. So the placement of them completely inside of this zone. And the last one, this yellow box, the placement of them completely in the middle of the game mat, inside of the battery icon. So we are ready, but before start the robot run, don't forget about to start the recording. Introduce your team, share with us the name of your sustainable city, and place the ruler next to this black-white zone, and don't forget about to remove this ruler before you start your robot. Let's start with the rules. First of all, there are some special rules about the base and the starting area. Let's see. The base located where you can find this icon with 2 flags. The base means the complete zone with this black border, but within that zone you can find this smaller one. The shape of them is 25 centimeters and 25 centimeters. At the beginning of the robot run, it should fit completely in of this one. So when you start first time your robot, it should fit completely in the zone. But if you start your robot and it's left the zone, go outside to the game mat. In that case, you can grab your robot and bring back to the zone if it's touch the base. Don't forget about the base, it's without the borders, so this colorful part of it. So if it's touch, in that case, you can grab your robot without any penalties and bring back to the start, to this base. And next time, so if it's not the first start of the robot or the robot run, in that case, you can start your robot outside of this red zone, but inside of the base with these black borders. So in that case, you can start your robot like that. What happens if you grab your robot if it's outside of this zone? In that case, that means 5 points of penalty, and you can bring back your robot and start it again. Alright, let's see the first task for today, to help our engineers. We have in our city a wind power plant, but there is an issue with one of the windmills. We need the support of your robot to collect the best engineers of the city to fix this problem. Engineer 1. This figure is already in our base zone, so that means if you have your robot here, you can use your hand, touch the engineers and put it in the right place. So for that one you don't need the robot to collect them, because it's inside of the base. You can touch everything what is inside of the base. And the second and the third engineers, they are located in the middle of the game mat and the opposite side as where the base located. You can collect them, and the destination, as I mentioned, that this zone. You can score the maximum point if you bring them completely inside of the wind power plant. That's it scoring. You should put all the engineers completely inside of the wind power plant area. It means per figures 10 points, so the possible maximum points in that case 30. Alright, let's jump to the next one, to the solar panels. Because near to the city we have some brand new solar panels, but still cover big boxes. Your task to remove these boxes. If you remove it partly, that means 5 points for you for each boxes, but if you remove it completely, that means 15 points. So currently the normal placement is located completely inside of this area with green border. So that's mean partly, but still touch the original zone. And if you remove it completely, that's mean 15 points. Same for this box. What happens if you grab this box and, for example, find at the end of the robot game, it's located like that. That means you remove that one completely from the original zone. So for that it's 15 points, but for the other one just 5 because it's just removed partly from the original position. Okay, the rocks of the dam. The river is blocked by the rocks. In our cases, the rocks equal with these plastic bottle caps. Your task to remove these bottle caps completely. Completely means it's out, all of them outside completely the red circles. If you remove them, that means 5 points for each. And it means additional 10 points if you bring them back to the base. So, in that case, with this setup, it means 15, 15, 15. If it's outside, that means 15, 15, only 5, because you removed it completely, but it's outside of the base. The next one, we have a battery, but still, currently it's uncharged. It's located middle of the game mat. Your task, move the battery from this position to the wind power plant. Here, your robot can recharge it. The recharge means at least partly touch one of the windmills or this zone. The zone it's only starting here, so the border is, or this line is outside of the zone. So that's mean partly. Okay, so we recharge our battery. After that, you must bring it to the dam, because we will store here this battery. There are 4 cases currently. If your battery is charged and completely in this zone, that's mean 20 points. If it's uncharged but completely in this zone, 15 points. If it's charged but it's outside or partly touched this zone, that's mean 10 points. And if it's uncharged but partly, at least partly touched the zone, that's mean 5 points. Okay, and our last task on our list. That was a long day in a robot life, so time to recharge. At the end of the robot game, you should recharge your robot. That's mean at least partly you should touch this zone in the middle of the game mat. There are 2 additional points what you can score during the game. If these pencils located in the original position, in that case that means for you additional points because you avoid the damage of the cables. So that's it. Have a great time during the preparation and see you soon. Bye.